Today's October 12th, 2023. Here I got a call from a new customer. He's got an oil-fired furnace and he wants me to do the service on it. I guess he called the last guy and he's not returning the call or something, so I'll go over there and give it the old once over. It's a furnace. I confirmed that it's a furnace. Furnace has no water in it. It's a hot air furnace. Boiler has water in it, or radiators. Says it was a furnace. They're not as easy to clean. If they get full of soot, you really can't get the soot out of them. A furnace. So I usually tell people with a furnace you have to be on top of them more than a boiler. Boiler you can take apart and clean it. A furnace, not so much. There is sometimes little access doors, but you really can't get in there and clean it properly. They're just not as good.
Turn left on Old Fall River Road.
A furnace is not as robust as a boiler. It is what it is. We'll go there and do our thing. Alright, you got an Aries furnace here, and shut it off. I brought a filter. Gotta change the filter, check the filter. Funrace. Filter must be inside the unit. Alright, we're gonna check this. I checked the bottom of the tank, everything looks good. Funrace, we'll shut that off and we'll check it. Change the filter. This is the first time coming here, so the way things are now with these bio slime, I check the filters every time now. Years ago I didn't, but I do now. Yeah, a little bit of slime in there. Nothing crazy, but bio slime. Oh, that's an F4. I need an F1. Alright, I got an F1 filter here. F1, it's a smaller, it's what they call a general filter. It's smaller in size than the F4. This up. We'll bleed it. A lot of times I'll just leave the air in it and pull it through the through the pump. Sometimes I'll bleed them here, depends. Well, we got 3/4 of a tank of oil. It's a furnace. I gotta bleed it anyway because it'd be nice to just get the air out of here if I can.
Unknown caller.
Alright, here it comes. Alright, so we bled it already. That was quick. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I see that you're in North Dartmouth. Would you go travel to Coventry, Rhode Island? Is that too far?
My insurance don't cover me in another state. I'd have to get a whole nother policy. So, yeah, it is too far, actually. You're better off to call somebody in your area.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
All right, well, who would you recommend?
I would look up somebody on Google in your area, and with somebody that's got a lot of reviews, and then go with somebody like that.
Okay, all right. Hey, I watch you on YouTube, so, you know.
All right, good luck.
I figured I'd call you.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
I get a lot of them calls. People want me to travel outside my work area. I can't. Oh yeah, the filter looks pretty gnarly there, Mama. Yeah, she's definitely a dirty one. Right, on these here, the reinforcements goes towards the fan. Get this thing in here. Too much effort. Look at those hitting there. The wires. Alright, that's in good. Excellent. Put the date on there. The furnace, I should be able to jump it out over here to start it. Not good. The furnace is not the easiest thing to be working on. Run it. Oh yeah, she's pretty crusty. You can see she's pretty dirty. So thing with the furnaces, they don't run all summer. They run just in the winter time when they need it. The boiler will run a lot in the summertime because it runs for hot water. They run more. But it's been a little time here. You can see she's pretty dark. Let's see what we got in there for a nozzle. 90 degree. Wow. $85, no, 65.65, 80. Small nozzle. Wow, can't even get that off of there. Alright, should be able to jump it out right here and start it. Jump out jump out TT, which is a thermostat. When I turn it on, it should fire. Turn the switch on, it should fire. Problem is, this is like a can inside of a can. The only way you can clean it is through these ports. If it was smoky, you would see it here. Looks like it's burning clean up to me. Furnace, the thermostat's right here on the furnace.